you slow it down? Can you walk forward? Can you walk back? Can you clap your hands? Can you go fast?
Do you want to see me go fast while jumping?
Yeah.
First, let me get it going fast. Here. Okay, that might be good enough.
Whoa.
I can do it even better than that. Yeah.
Okay, let's see it again.
So, what do you want to... Okay.
Come a little closer to Mom.
Closer?
That's good enough.
Here, Mom, tell me what to do.
Go super fast.
Extra fast?
Yeah, turn sideways so I can see you from the side. Turn a little more that way. Yeah, there you go. Go ahead, super fast. Okay, you tired?
Yep.
Say
Can I
goodnight.
see you, Mom?
Say goodnight.
Good night.
Carrie Drake.
Can I please see one more